Hello friends, I am back. I'm here with a new drawing. I don't know if you guys seen the MoonKnight trailer, but it's kind of trending right now. So I was like, let me go ahead and draw MoonKnight and draw it in my style. So here you go. So let's draw. Pretty much I just started, I wanted to do at least 3 different types of personalities, and I started out with MoonKnight with his white costume, the hood and the cape and everything, and then after that one I saw one where he has like a suit on, the tie and just like a face mask, and I thought that was cool too. So I was like, well, I include him in the cape, him in just the suit, and just a regular, one where he's kind of like a mercenary, type spy, so I did 3 different versions. So, and then I also wanted to do, like the god or whatever, but I didn't get a chance to do that one. I'll probably do it later, but if I finish it, I'll upload to Instagram or something. But I just wanted to show you my process and how I started. Usually I start with the character I like the most, and do the character I'm not really feeling towards the end. And most of these, well, pretty much everything is sketched out, in Sketchbook, and then I'll bring it into Illustrator, and that's a long process, because all of the artwork is totally vector, except for the sketches. I sketch everything out in Sketchbook, but the vector art part kind of takes a while, so that's why the videos don't come out as rapid as possible. But I've been trying to speed up the process. So I appreciate your patience. I appreciate all my new 30-something subscribers to my channel. Appreciate the support. I hope I get more. I appreciate more. Like and subscribe. If there's something cool that you want to see me draw next, just shoot me a message. Email me, IM me, whatever, SMM, whatever, all the letters in the alphabet. Just let me know, and I'll draw it in my style in Illustrator. So, you kind of see me when I'm pretty much the whole process. Sometimes I get interrupted. I have family, the kids, whatever. So you may see them kind of pop up here and there. So, but the work got to get done, and I do my best to finish it up best as possible with all the interferences that I may have. But I enjoy what I do, and that's why I bring it to you, because I want to show it off and say, hey, check this out. Now, if any of you, up and coming artists, you can take a look at it. You can kind of see my process. Usually I start with the head, and then, I work down to the torso and to the legs. And, if something doesn't seem right, I'll, kind of move it around a little bit just to kind of get it right. But that's usually my process, man. Sometimes I go on, maybe Pinterest, or just Google, different kind of poses that I might like, and things that might inspire me, some design backgrounds. But overall, that's usually my process, and I love it. I hope you love it. Enjoy the rest of the illustrations, and I'll probably do like a later on, probably start doing a maybe like a quick draw where I just sketch out things. I don't finish it up, but it'll just be in the sketching stages, just to let you guys see like my process, how I think, and how I approach all my illustrations before it gets to the final stage. So I'll probably start like another channel, well, not another channel, but another kind of video section, just doing quick draws. So hope you enjoy it. See ya.